Hey everyone, I'm Julia Lacey. I'm a realtor in Medicine Hat, Alberta, and today I'm joined with Ashton from Hat Fresh Air to talk all about wood burning fireplaces.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Ashton. I'm with Hat Fresh Air Fireplace. I've been with the company for 7 years. I do wood burning installations, inspections, chimney cleaning.
So I guess a couple questions I have are, what is the main tips and tricks that homeowners need to know about a wood burning fireplace just for like daily or like monthly maintenance?
So the biggest thing with the wood burning fireplace is what you burn, how you burn, and keeping the unit clean. They always recommend you burn dry wood anywhere about 15% on your moisture content. That will help keep your chimney as clean as possible. It will also help with your efficiency of your burn, getting most out of your wood. Cleaning of the unit, cleaning out the ash, making sure you only leave about 1 inch in the bottom instead of letting the whole unit fill up. Cleaning your glass so you can actually see the fire instead of just looking at a black pane in there.
Right.
And then yearly you should have your chimneys cleaned and inspected, whether it's before you start burning for the season or after you've burnt for the spring when you're shutting down.
Okay, so yearly maintenance on that to get your chimney cleaned. Is that a service that you guys provide, is chimney cleaning?
Yes,
okay.
So what we do is we'll go up to the cap, go to the roof, we'll run brushes up and down. Right. We'll take a video of your chimney to see what your liner's like, to see if there's any damage or corrosion along those lines, and then also give the homeowner an idea of what is going on up in their system.
Right.
So they know if it's still in good shape, if there's any repair that needs to be done, stuff along that line there.
Okay. Are there any signs that a homeowner should be looking for, knowing that it's time to get it maybe inspected or cleaned, that, can be a visual?
Biggest visual would be if it seems like it's struggling to burn, like you're getting smoke roll out every time you open the door, you're getting smoke in the house. Okay. It's not going up the chimney. Then it can start to tell you that your chimney is maybe getting clogged by that creosote buildup, which will stick to the liner of the chimney going up.
Right. Okay. And then another service you guys offer is a wet inspection. So can you explain what that actually even means and what that entails?
So a wet inspection, wet is wood energy technology transfer. Okay. And what that allows us to do is we are certified to come in, pull up what the unit is, pull up all the specs, take all the measurements of clearances, make sure the chimney is meeting code for heights out the roof, what your hearth, this is nice and big on this one, but every unit is going to have a requirement of what the non-combustible material should be out front. And then we're going to go in and we're going to check that everything inside the unit, the rear panels, the burn tubes in the top, the deflectors, making sure all that is in good shape and doesn't need to be replaced, so you're safe to use it for burning, as well as lots of insurance companies are starting to require that on purchasing homes with solid fuel appliances.
So as a realtor, when buying or selling a home with wood burning fireplaces, we always recommend getting that inspected and checked out. Obviously, that is a service you offer and you've talked about. What does that typically cost or entail?
So a level 1, which is a visual inspection, that will be checking out the unit, checking out the inside of the chimney, making sure everything up on the roof is good. That usually starts in around $175 for that inspection. If insurance requires it, when you go to purchase the home, there is a level 2 and a level 3. Those charges can vary depending on what they're asking us to look at.
So you're saying that some insurance companies do have additional requirements, so it might be something for them to look into prior to getting the inspection, so that they know if they need to up it to level 2 or 3.
Yeah, we always recommend asking your insurance company beforehand what they require.
Right.
Because level 2s and level 3s, they can require going up in attics or taking siding off to stick a camera on the inside to see if everything inside where the chimney is in the wall, if that has all been maintained and installed properly.
Right. Okay, that makes sense. So really just contact your insurance company prior to getting you out so that you can do the thorough inspection for what's required.
Yes. Yeah, always recommended to ask your insurance company first for what they require.
Nice. Perfect. Good. Well, thanks for coming out. We appreciate all the information. We'll link all their socials and website and everything down below, so that if you have any questions, you want to reach out to Hat Fresh Air regarding a home with a wood burning fireplace or maintenance or tips. They're very helpful and they've been in the community for a long time. So they're a great resource.
Perfect. Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks.